Good morning everyone. My name is Mabel Di Lato. Is I using for this video I am gonna tour you and explain the basic parts and functions of the vehicle. First, we're gonna start with the exterior parts, and for that we have the vehicle mirror. So this part is, and its function is, it provides or help the driver to see the coming or approaching vehicles, motorcycles, or cyclists on the back of the vehicle. So, and next is we have a door handle. Door handle this. So, door handle, its function is it gives or provides the drivers and passengers to open, close the door. And we have the door. The function of the door, it gives or provides the driver or passengers to exit and exit on the, and we have the hood. The functions of the hood, it protects the it protects the engine and the radiator for the falling debris or dust and wind. Okay. And followed by the lights. So light, it helps the driver to show the road or lighten up the road when driving. And followed by the plate number. It functions of the plate number. It shows the plate number. It shows ownership of the owner of the vehicle, that it is fully registered with the Land Transportation Office or the LTO. And next is tire. Tire, it helps or provides tire. It supports the vehicle to carry the load or cargo.
Okay.
We have the tail light. So tail light, it indicates that, or it shows to the other approaching vehicles, motorcycles or cyclists, whether the driver of the vehicle turning left or right or in the other side. We have the rear window. Rear window, it helps or provide the driver to see some coming or approaching vehicles in the back. We have the bumper. Bumper, it helps the driver and the passengers and the vehicles for the minor impact during some minor incidents. And we have the fuel tank. So this is where we're gonna restore the gasoline or diesel for the vehicle that would be needed to get the vehicle run.
Okay.
We have the roof. So functions of the roof, it provides protection for the driver and passengers inside the vehicle for the sun, rain, and dust. For the interior parts of the vehicle, we have the steering wheel. So functions of the steering wheel, it helps the driver to lift the vehicle either left or right. And we have the seat belt. So functions of seat belt, it provides protection for the driver and passengers for the some minor incident impact to hold their bodies. And we have this for the vehicle, it is called tachometer. And for the motorcycle, we called it speedometer. So for the vehicle, it is called tachometer. So tachometer, its function is it helps the driver to see the speed of the vehicle once it is running. And we have the gear stick. So gear stick, it helps the driver to gear stick. It helps the driver to choosing speed for the vehicle. And we have this one, it is the handbrake for the vehicle. And handbrake, its function, it helps the driver to stop the car during parking. And we have a visor, and this one, we have the gas accelerator pad. You see the gas accelerator pad, and this foot brake. This one, foot brake pad. This one is a clutch. It is a clutch. We have the driver seat and passenger seat together alongside with this back seat. So it provides the drivers and the passengers to relax their body during a short or long drive over the fatigue.
Yes.
And that's all. Thank you.